Here's where you could go to change between the gesture swipe navigation or the 3-button navigation. This is for Pixel phones with the latest Android 15, and let's get started. Whether you want to use the 3 buttons or the swipe gestures, use the quick access, pull it down twice until you see this setting toggle right here. As you tap on that, you'll be taken to the main settings of your Pixel phone with the latest Android 15. Then I want you to go to the part that says display and touch right there. As you enter here now, you're going to see these different display options. So go down, and right under display size and text, you'll see the navigation mode. As you enter here, you will now see the option to choose between the swipe gestures, which is this one here, or the 3-button navigation. So while we're here already on the 3-button navigation, let's just say it's enabled. Now, when this is enabled, you'll have access to these here, the buttons. This would be your recents, this is your home, and this is your back button. This here, the circle to search, touch and hold the home button. If you do this here, you're gonna get this little circle to search feature here. So if you want that with the Google thing here, you can go ahead and turn that on. And also you can turn it off from here. Now, if you decide to go with the gesture navigation here, which is your swipe gestures with this little bar here that we're all familiar with, which if I do this, that's gonna take me to back and the home here like this here. And of course, hold for the recents, okay? So once in the navigation swipe gestures here, you can tap on the settings here, and that will give us some more options to navigate our phone while in the gestures mode here. So we got swipe to invoke the assistant here, swipe up from the bottom corner to invoke digital assistant. So if you're looking to get access to the Google Assistant, you can turn that on and swipe from your bottom corners and up. You also got the back sensitivities. Now, when I adjust this here, you'll notice this little blue highlight right there where my thumb is pointing. That's how far the back sensitivity of the swipe gesture to go back from the edges here. So this is your left side, this is your right side here. Notice the right side showed up there, okay? And you can make adjustments to these at any given time or come back here and switch to the buttons if ever you prefer that instead. And if this guide helped, like and sub.